38 Buick, Series 80 Opera Brome, the 38 Paris Auto Salon car, spectacular coachwork by Fernandez and Darren. Feast your eyes on this town car. Absolutely spectacular. One-off Fernandez and Darren coachwork. It's a unique and important full classic. What an amazing design, Charlie. Did you see the cane working?
Yeah.
Isn't that spectacular? V windshield. What a spectacular Buick. Lot number 23.
So spectacular that I have an absentee bid here with me, and I can put the car straight in at $200,000, which is sufficient to sell the car. $200,000, the bid is with me. $220 now. An opening bid with me at $200,000. $220 if you'd like to bid now at $200,000. Make no mistake, the car is straight in to the market at an opening bid of $200, $220. $240 with me, the absentee bid, $240. $260 if you like. Your bid, sir. Now, the absentee bid is no longer in, and the bid is in the room in front of me at $260,000. $280 to go now at $260,000. $280 is it now? Your bid, sir. $280, sir. $280. $300, $300, $320, $320, $340, $340, $360, $360 may I say, sir. $340 in front of me here, $360, $380, sir. $380, $400. $400 now. Bids against you at $380. $400 would you like to bid me, sir? At $380, the bid is seated at $380. Make no mistake. $380,000, $400. I'll take 20, sir. May we say 20? We may. That's very kind. 420. 440. At 420, 440. 460. 460 now, sir. 450. 460 on the right. I'll treat you the same way. At 450. 460 now. At 460. 470. No, sir. Thank you for your bidding. At 460 on the right here. $460,000 standing on my right at $460,000 for the first time. $460,000 for the second time. $460,000 for the third and the very last time at $460,000 I sell. Sold your car, sir. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.